Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Snowflake Python connector using key pair, complete guide step by step clearly. First, make sure you have the necessary prerequisites installed on your system.
Download and install Python if you haven't already.
Next, install the Snowflake Python connector by running the command pip install Snowflake connector Python in your terminal.
Generate an RSA key pair that will be used for authentication.
To create a key pair, open your terminal and run the command opencil generate out rsa_key_pair. Next, extract the public key from the key pair using the command opencil rsa in rsa_key_pair.pem pub out rsa_public_key.pem. Now you need to save the public key to your Snowflake account.
Log into your Snowflake account and navigate to the admin section. Click on Users and select the user account for which you want to configure key pair authentication.
In the user profile, find the public key field and copy the contents of the rsa_public_key.pem file to this field. Be sure to save your changes.
Next, establish a connection to Snowflake using the key pair authentication.
Import the necessary libraries in your Python script by adding import snowflake.connector.
Now, set the connection parameters including your account name, username, and the private key path.
Use the following format for the connection parameters. Once your connection parameters are defined, you can connect to Snowflake by executing the connection command.
If the connection is successful, you should see that you are authenticated. You can now execute queries using your connection. Remember to close the connection when you are done by calling connection.close.
That concludes the complete guide on how to authenticate with the Snowflake Python connector using a key pair. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.